Listen up, folks. I'm about to tell you a fungi with benefits. Mushrooms for diabetics. Now, I know you might be thinking, can I even eat mushrooms with diabetes? Well, let me tell you, you sure can. These little guys won't mess with your blood sugar levels thanks to their low GI and glycemic load. But wait, there's more. The vitamin B and polysaccharides in mushrooms can work wonders for people with diabetes and more. Let's talk about it. Now, what about improved blood sugars and cholesterol at the same time? Now, that's what I call to be fungi to be with. So, go ahead and add some mushrooms to your meals. Now, your body and your taste buds will love you. If you can't take the taste, guess what? We have come up with Mushroom Miracle Blend capsules at SugarMDs.com. You can just swallow to get all the benefits we will talk about today. Let's get started. First of all, if you think mushrooms are plants, you're wrong. Mushrooms are the reproductive structures of fungi, not plants. Regardless, they provide the dietary boost that one would expect from a serving of vegetables. From a culinary perspective, they are also frequently consumed in dishes. Now, mushrooms are often overlooked, but these mighty fungi have a lot to offer. Did you know that they can benefit your body in incredible ways and even help regulate your blood sugar levels? It's true. Whether you're a fan of portobello or button or the shiitake mushrooms, these fungi are nutrient-dense powerhouse that contain a wealth of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants that can nourish and protect your body. So, if you haven't yet considered incorporating mushrooms into your diet, now may be the time to listen up and reap the benefits they may have to offer. Are you tired of fad diets and exercise routines that make you feel like you're running into a brick wall head on? Well, it is time to shake things up and add some shiitake mushrooms to your plate. Not only do they taste great, but they also come with a multitude of health benefits. These little guys can actually help you shed some pounds, keep your heart pumping like a champion, fight back against cancer cells, boost your energy and brain power, and yes please, right? Reduce the inflammation and give your immune system a high five. That's right, shiitake mushrooms can do it all. One of shiitake's many benefits is that they contain chemical compounds, I would rather say multiple compounds, that shield DNA from oxidative damage. Lanthanum, for instance, repairs chromosomal damage brought on by chemotherapy. Another good one is cordyceps. That's another fungi that we will talk about. Cordyceps or Cordyceps sinensis, to be more specific and scientific, for its unique ability to mimic the action of insulin, maybe one of the much sought after natural remedies for regulating blood sugar levels. Now, numerous studies conducted on diabetic mice have suggested that the cordyceps could help decrease blood sugar levels and even exhibit potential in preventing kidney disease. You heard me right, kidney disease. It's a common complication of diabetes. In one review involving over 1,700 individuals with chronic kidney disease, those who took cordyceps or cordyceps supplements reported significant improvements in their kidney function. With such promising results, cordyceps could be a game changer in the management of diabetes and its related complications. And if you saw a mushroom that resembled the facial hair or mane of a lion, what would your reaction be? Well, still have doubts about the lion's mane mushroom? What if I told you that it has been linked to significant brain repair, may have anti-cancer properties, and is being studied for hundreds of additional potential benefits? Lion's mane mushroom is often used as a neurotropic in Chinese medicine. In recent years, a lot of attention has been paid to this mushroom, which has been shown to have remarkable cognitive enhancing effects. One study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry lists the benefits, saying that lion's mane mushroom is antibiotic, anti-carcinogenic, anti-diabetic, anti-fatigue, anti-hypertensive, anti-hyperlipidemic, anti-senescence, which is anti-aging, cardioprotective, hepatoprotective, which is your livers, nephroprotective, your kidneys, and neuroprotective, which is your nerves, and improves the anxiety, cognitive function, and depression. Quite a list, huh? So there you have it, folks. The age-old question of whether mushrooms are good for diabetes has been answered today. But don't go thinking you can just munch on mushrooms all day, every day, and call it a diabetes management plan. That's not it. This ain't no one-hit wonder. You gotta mix it up and add those mushrooms to a well-rounded, healthy diet. And remember, we have a supplement as well now called Mushroom Miracle at our website at sugarmds.com. So while you're at it, maybe throw some other tasty veggies in there too in your dishes, right? Get creative. But most importantly, always consult with your diabetes healthcare team because let's face it, they are the real MVPs there. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.